Google versus Bitcoin, the day math betrayed crypto. So, Bitcoin was supposed to be unhackable. You know, the whole secured by math thing. Turns out, we just hadn't invented the right computer yet. Welcome to 2026. Google drops a research update that basically says, hey, that encryption protecting trillions in crypto? Yeah, we might crack that sooner than expected. Cool. See, Bitcoin relies on elliptic curve cryptography, which sounds complicated because it is. It's been the backbone of digital security. And on normal computers, it's basically unbreakable. Like, you'll die of old age before you crack it. But quantum computers? They don't care about your timeline. Instead of guessing one possibility at a time, they explore massive numbers of possibilities simultaneously. Because apparently, physics upgraded without telling anyone. For years, experts said quantum threats were decades away. Google just came in and said, yeah, about that. Maybe it's closer than we thought. Their research suggests breaking Bitcoin's encryption might require fewer quantum resources than expected. Translation? The finish line just moved. Closer. They even have a name for this moment. Q-Day. That's the day quantum computers break modern encryption. And now, there's a real possibility that Q-Day could happen within the next decade. Because if that day comes, a powerful quantum machine could take a Bitcoin wallet and reverse engineer the private key. In simple terms, it could unlock someone else's crypto, potentially in minutes. And here's the part nobody likes to talk about. Millions of Bitcoins sit in wallets that could be vulnerable if this happens. We're talking hundreds of billions of dollars, protected by math that suddenly isn't untouchable. So, what's the solution? Easy. Upgrade Bitcoin's cryptographic foundation to something quantum resistant. No problem, right? Except, Bitcoin is decentralized, which means no one is in charge. Which also means everyone has to agree. And if you've ever watched humans try to agree, you know how this goes. Meanwhile, quantum computing is speeding up. So now we're in this situation, where we built a financial system on math, and we're racing to upgrade it before we invent machines that can break it. And here's the twist. Quantum computers at this level don't fully exist yet. But the timeline? It's shrinking. So yeah, Bitcoin isn't broken today. But it's no longer a question of if this could happen. It's when. And suddenly, secured by math doesn't sound as permanent. Because in the end, the biggest threat to Bitcoin isn't hackers. It's better math.